This is Rich with HouseBarons, and we just wanted to do a follow-up video. We're in the process of renovating this house, and one of the issues here was that the backyard was absolutely terrible. 15 months ago, we decided to do a DIY project where we were going to transform this lawn from basically a dirt patch to what it is that you see today. We did make a video showing all the steps. We got a huge amount of topsoil and we spread that around, so we had about a 2-inch base of topsoil throughout the whole yard. We seeded the yard, but we did overseeding. So whatever the package says, we did like 5 times the amount of seed that they suggested. And we're happy that we did, because the results are astonishing as far as how thick and lush this lawn is right now. They sell these straw mats, and you're going to be tempted to say, well, I'm a DIYer, I'm trying to save money, but we would heartily recommend that you make that investment, because the straw mats are going to keep the seed where it's supposed to be. And because otherwise, like when the rain comes, it's just going to move it all around and it could wash away. The birds can come and eat it. It's worth that expense to get these great results. The only other step is just consistent watering. There are a few weeds in this yard. Rather than treat it chemically and get rid of every single weed, we would prefer that, you know, kids and pets aren't running around on a chemically treated lawn. So is our preference to not treat it for weeds. Actually, when you mow, if you let the grass grow up to about 3.5 inches, it'll choke out a lot of the weeds. And so there's probably no real reason to use a chemical treatment on your lawn. But at any rate, we just wanted to do this follow-up video to show you the results that you can have by doing, I'm not going to say it was super easy. It's definitely a good workout to do the whole project, but you can save a boatload of money and get an amazing yard that looks just like this. Hope this helps. Check out the video so you can see all the steps, and we'll see you in the next video.